Every time you scroll, you're losing control of your brain. And it's happening right now. You think you're just checking your phone, but you're being trained. Your phone is controlling your life. Not a little, completely. And if you don't fix it, you'll waste years without noticing. Imagine this. You wake up, no phone, no scrolling. You go for a run. You feel sharp. You come back, coffee, silence, focus. When you work, you're locked in. No distractions, no checking your phone every 2 minutes. When you take a break, you talk to people, you laugh, you're present. At night, you sleep instantly. No screen, just peace. Sounds perfect, right? But that's not your life. Let's be honest. Your real day, you wake up, grab your phone just for a second. 30 minutes gone. You feel slow, unfocused. You try to work, but your brain pulls you back. Scroll, scroll, scroll. People say, delete your apps, hide your phone, use discipline. That doesn't work. It makes it worse. Because when you force yourself to stop, your brain panics. What if I missed something? Did I get a notification? Now you're not focused. You're obsessed. So stop fighting your brain. Use it. Your brain hates unfinished tasks. Once you start something, it wants to finish it. So start small. Want to go to the gym? Don't think about the workout. Just put on your shoes. That's enough, because once you start, you won't stop. Want to work? Write one line. Want to read? Read one page. Momentum takes over every time. Now, the second part. This changes everything. Make your phone boring. Right now, it's too addictive. Colors, notifications, endless dopamine. Go to your settings. Turn on grayscale, black and white. No colors, no stimulation. Your phone becomes useless. Now add friction. When you work, put your phone far away, not in your pocket, not next to you. When you take a break, don't scroll. Look up. Talk to people. And 2 hours before sleep, no phone, no noise, no scrolling, just quiet. Do this for 1 day, just 24 hours. And you'll realize you don't need discipline. You need a better system. Because the phone didn't change. You did. If you want control, subscribe. Most people will ignore this. A few will change.